31.
31. And is she older or is she young?
She's older.
She's older. Okay.
24.
24. Wow. Is she old or young?
I think she's old.
She's old. Yeah. 24. That's super old.
30.
30.
Because she's really, really old.
She's really old.
I don't really know, but he's older than my dad.
He's older than your dad? Can you make a guess? How old do you think he is?
I think he's like 37.
37. Is he old or young?
He's old.
He's really old. Okay.
70.
70? Okay.
He's kind of old. His birthday was, I think, yesterday.
And how old was he yesterday?
67, I think.
67. And it's your birthday today, right? How old are you?
7.
You're 7. Okay, so he's a lot older than you.
100.
100.
I think she's a good student.
You think she's a good student? Just like you, right?
I think she bakes pies. Sometimes she lets me have like my favorite kind of cracker there, and she lets me get a treat downstairs.
And your mom doesn't know?
Well, she does, but Grandma pays for it.
What does she let you do?
She lets me watch TV around every meal. Watch TV till 9.
Till 9? What time are you supposed to be in bed?
Probably 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Oh, Grandpa.
Have ice cream whenever I'm there.
She lets you have ice cream every time you're there?
A witch.
Why a witch? Is she a witch?
She looks like one.
She looks like a witch. Interesting. I can't wait to meet her. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man? Why Spider-Man?
Because he can fly. A clown.
Why?
Because he's so funny.
Because he's so funny? Oh, my goodness.
I'm going to be a lion.
Why?
Because it has a lot of skin.
He has a lot of skin?
Yeah. A snake.
Why a snake? Why a snake?
Because I want her to eat me.
You want her to eat you? Oh, my goodness.
A tortoise.
Why?
Oh, wait, my grandpa will be a tortoise.
Why? Because he's slow?
Yeah.
And what would your grandma be?
Give us a normal turtle.
She'd just be a normal turtle because she's not slow like your grandpa.
Yeah. A cat.
Why?
Because we have 2 cats.
You have 2 cats. It reminds you of your grandpa? Yeah.
Monkeys.
He's like a monkey?
He's kind of funny.
He's funny like a
really,
monkey?
really funny.
So he would entertain us if he was at the zoo?
A falcon.
Why?
Because falcons can fly up to 4,000 miles per hour.
4,000 miles per hour and your grandma's fast like that?
No. Take me to a Celtics basketball game because he really likes the Celtics. 100 money.
To have 100 money and then give it to you?
To the gas station.
To the gas station. Why do you go to the gas station?
Because I love the treats.
You love their treats?
Sit down.
She says sit down.
She always says that I love you.
Aww.